Hello YouTube, welcome back to today's video. This is ft2DE. Now last week's video I showed you how to program this radio, the ft2DE, and that was for analog repeaters. I've done a video on this one, this is the ft7DE, how to program this up for a digital repeater and analog repeater on Fusion. Now there's no Fusion repeaters near me, so I have to go through a Raspberry Pi. And this is a Raspberry Pi Model 3, and I'm using a Pi hat on top. And I've got the case, it fits in, just about fits in there, but stops the board getting scratched. So to this week's video, we're going to be looking at the YesX feature on both of these radios. Now to use YesX on your Raspberry Pi, go into the configuration, you have to enable YesX control and uppercase pass-through, because the ft7DE can only display things in capital letters. So once we've done that, you need to input your pistar frequency on these radios. So on this first one, this is the ft2DE. Need to enter in 433450. So I need to dial at the top to change it. We need to make sure that we're on digital. At the moment, where you can see there, we're on FM. So I'm going to press mode again, and we're just going to press the X button, the bottom there, and that should connect us to our YesX. There we go. So now it says connected, and at the bottom here on the screen here, sorry, it says 2E0IQJ. It says pistar or Pi. Got search and direct, and we also got CQUK. Now I can press on search and direct, and we've got all and search and direct. If I push on search and direct and then push on ID, and it says hashtag, so we're going to type in 000 and 1 and push enter. And that's connected us to the parrot. Now in the description below I'll link a list of pistar reflectors. You can connect to various different rooms, print it out. Instead of having to go into the pistar configuration all the time, you can just type in the node number. So if I key up 2E0IQJ, check and access to the parrot on the pistar.
2E0IQJ, check and access to the parrot on the pistar.
Hey, we got connected to the parrot. So if I go back in under search and direct and press on all, it says waiting, and it should give us a list of rooms that we can connect to. So I wanted to connect to the first one, I can just press the first one. It says waiting. If it doesn't connect first time, you can then tap it again and it should definitely connect. Sometimes it takes two or three tries to get it connected. So there it hasn't connected, so let's try it one more time. There we go, it's got connected now. You've got emergency, news station and local news. So I press on news station. Let it wait, so it's waiting. Again, if it doesn't connect first time, you can press it again, it should connect. New station, you've got upload and download. So I go on to download. And now if there's anything on there, so if there's a voice message, you can download it. So the news from Australia, messages or pictures. So something you can do. But if I go back again, and back again, and you'll see at the bottom of the screen there, it's now connected. So if I wanted to go back to say CQUK, press on search and direct, press on search and direct again, ID, and 1. That's very odd doing it up here. Once it's 820, and that should connect us to CQUK. So that's how you do it on this on the ft2DE. So how do we go about connecting the ft7DE to the YZX Raspberry Pi hotspot. Well, this is even simpler than the last radio. Make sure you're on your pistar frequency, which I'm on, 433-450. Make sure you're on the digital mode, so FM and digital. And all we're going to do now is push the function button and AMS. And yes, my buttons are worn away on this radio because I've used it every single day. You can see there, it's all worn away. So at the moment we're connected to GB CQ UK, and I can use the dial at the top, scroll through, and you've got EN. And if I wanted to connect to a different room, there's your hashtag. I want to connect to the parrots, so I've put in 4 zeros and number 1, and push AMS. If it doesn't connect first time, which just doesn't know what this one's going to do, we're going to get an error. Let's try it again. There we go, we've got connected now. I can now key up 2E0 IQJ parrot test.
2E0 IQJ parrot test.
There we go. If you wanted to go back to the previous room, go through, but it's got EN and 16820 and push AMS. There we are, we're back on to GB CQ UK. Now in the description below I'll link a list of pistar reflectors. You can either print it out or just look on the computer, and you can just type in different rooms to connect to different rooms. So hopefully this video has been of some use for you, Theo, and for you out there on YouTube. If it is, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, the other button seems to work too. I'll see you in the next video. This is 2E0 IQJ 73s.